Folks, look at SharperTrades. S&P 500 open lower close higher. Positive move, testing the resistance 555 and fill this gap. Now it's fully completely filled. And let's see if price makes a move to test the 50 SMA, the blue line. Eventually, at that point, if it breaks through, the next resistance is 570 and the 200 SMA. Any pullback, the support 547, 540, 532, and then 525. Things have improved. Trump seems to make some concessions and things regarding these tariffs. So, things are improving to some extent. But nevertheless, the tension remains, and this is still a big resistance. So this level of 555 and the 50 SMA still there. ACHR. This one is strong idea, working nicely, hit the resistance target at 875, and today closing at 9, right at that level. Let's see if tomorrow is able to push through and go. 920 is the recent high, targets 1030. Well, we can do something here. 950, 1030, 1130, and 12, lunch. Support is the 80 and the 50 SMA. CALX, this is a ticker we've been following since the breakout here with volume following earnings. These are updated targets and new targets for the official swing. 40 was the resistance, broke through 40.54, Friday high. It's closing above it. I like that. And in the post market, let's see here, there was large activity there, 200,000. Yeah, not a lot. But anyway, it's moving through it. 42, 45, and 48 are the targets. The support 38.50, 37.50. Four, I like this company, and is made a good move today following earnings with volume breakout. Swing idea took out the 50 SMA. Let's see if tomorrow is able to push through the 200 SMA and 83. Big level, 93 is right here. And my targets, these are the targets again, 99, 105, 106, and 113. Support is the 50 SMA and 80, today low 86. Pfizer reported earnings, made a good move today. The CEO was also giving some interviews. Can't remember the outlet, maybe SNBC or Bloomberg, I don't know, don't remember. Anyway, positive move. The pharma companies don't want to pay tariffs. They don't want to pay anything. They just want to collect. Anyway, breakthrough 2430 and the 50 SMA. This one will try to extend. Technicals have improved quite significantly. 2550, 2670, and 28 are the targets. 23 and the 80 are the support. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.